Solve this system of equations. Well, in Math 121 or in beginning algebra, there's basically two ways that we do this. There's the elimination method or substitution method. With this one, because there is this y here that would be easy to solve for, I think I'm going to use the substitution method. So what you do with the substitution method is solve for this y right here. So that means I would need to subtract 2x from both sides. So just move that 2x to the other side, subtract 2x from both sides, and then you take that and substitute it in for this y right here in the other equation. So that one would then look like negative 3x plus 2 times y, but then replace y with what we just found out y equals, and then it equals negative 1. Next up, go ahead and distribute the 2, multiply this out. So we've got negative 3x, minding its own business there, plus a 10, minus a 4x, and then equals negative 1. So we could combine the x's, negative 3x's and negative 4x's is negative 7x's. And then we just need to move the 10, so subtract 10 from both sides. It will leave negative 11. And then divide both sides by negative 7. The negatives will cancel, and it'll just leave an 11 over 7. Okay, now I just need to take that x equals 11 over 7, substitute it right here, and then we can find out what y equals. So 5 minus 2 times 11 over 7. Well, if you multiply this out, that's going to make 22 over 7. And in order to get a common denominator, I can multiply the top and the bottom of this by 7. So the first one would be 35 over 7 minus 22 over 7. And how much is that? Well, to get from 22 to 30, you're going to take 8 steps, and then 5 more. That's 13 steps. So it's 13 over 7. The idea behind this is that these are two lines. So one line could be going down like this. And then the other line, perhaps the blue one, is going up like this. And then we just found out where those two lines cross. And so you need to write that as a point where x is 11 over 7 and y is 13 over 7. Artwork complete.